Hey, what's going on, everybody? Evans here, IMR in Texas. It is beautiful and sunny down here. We got a special treat for you guys. Come on inside with me. I want to show you what we're doing with our inventory on these parts that we're making. Getting new signage up on the doors too. But check it out, check it out, check it out. We have a boatload of inventory that we have brought in, and this is a batch that we're doing right now, and these are all going to powder coat. This will clear out all of our inventory or our open orders, and then the rest of it is going to be all inventory. All right, so here's a better look at that. We got a little bit going on here. Get yours while they're available.